Hello everyone, welcome to OBS Studio tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we add a desktop audio in OBS Studio. So what do you mean by desktop audio is that when we are working on a screen recording and we are performing some actions on a desktop and there is some sound playing on desktop and we want to capture that particular sound. We don't want to capture, we are not talking about our voice over here, we are capturing it through a microphone. But what happens if we want to capture an audio that is getting played in our desktop? Then how can we capture it? That's what we are going to see in this particular video. Okay, so for the first step that we need to perform is go to the taskbar and there is a speakers option, so just right click over there and go to sound settings. So this is going to happen in Windows. You are going to open the sound settings. Make sure that your output device is the speakers that are actually connected to your system right now. You can just choose your device over here for the output. For the input also you can make sure whichever microphone you want the best, that is chosen over here. In case you want more control, you can just go to the sound control panel over here and then you will get the playback option. That is the first option that is actually used to refer to the speakers that are currently being used. So this is the default device that is currently being used, and once you play any sound you will see some distortion in the noise levels over here. So let us just test this by playing a video. So let me just play one of my old videos regarding OBS Studio itself. So right now, hello everyone, welcome to video is playing, and if I just go back to my audio settings, then you can see the levels are changing. Now let me just stop this, and now the levels are constantly low. Now if I close this video, so here you are able to see the levels changing. So that means this particular speaker's device is currently being used. Similarly, for the recording purpose also, you can see there are two microphones actually right now that are using my recording. So what I'm gonna do is, this is the device that I want to use and this is the device I don't want to use. So what I'm gonna do is just right click over here and click on disable to disable this particular microphone, and now only this microphone is capturing my voice, which is exactly what I want. So click on OK. Once you're happy with the settings, close the window and come back to OBS Studio. Now once we have set the default devices in our Windows PC in the settings, it is very easy to do them in the OBS Studio. Okay, so the next steps that we need to follow are, firstly you need to keep in mind that what you are trying to capture over here. So what we're trying to capture is the output of the desktop itself. Okay, so for this what you need to do is just go to sources and click on this plus icon. Now generally what we do is, once we want to capture our audio, we use the audio input capture. But now what we're going to do is we are going to use the audio output capture, because that's the sound coming out from our PC. That's what we want to capture. So let's just click on that. Just provide it a new name, let's say PC sounds, so that we do not confuse it between the capture of our microphone. Click on OK. Now there is this check marks that says use device timestamp. So let us just uncheck this. This is not a very useful feature. Then you will get some of the options. In my case, I have only one speakers attached with my PC, that is the inbuilt speakers only. That's why I'm getting only this option. But in case you have multiple speakers available, so all those options would be available. Whatever the output from those speakers is, you would be able to capture them. So let me just click on these speakers and click on OK. So now what happens is, you can see the PC sounds, it is not giving me any of the outputs, it is not showing me any of the levels. So what I'm gonna do is, just to make sure that it is actually giving me some levels, I'm again going to play some sounds. So let me again just play this video. Hello everyone, welcome to OBS Studio and come back to OBS Studio, and here you can see that the sound levels are increasing and decreasing. They are getting installed. If you want to just control how they are getting used, if you want to control the volume, you can just use this volume slider. If you want to add any filters, just click on these three dots and click on filters to apply the audio filters by clicking on this plus icon. That is available. Like I can apply a compressor to get a better streaming quality of the audio like this. So let us see the process to download this. So first of all, that's totally up to you, like what all options you want to customize over here. So that's it for this video. That's how we can capture the sounds of our PC. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.